Yeah,
Hi, thanks for calling Monk Real Estate. I'm Chloe. How can I help you?
I'm looking to rent an apartment.
Sure, I can help with that. Can you share a bit more about your requirements like location, budget, and other preferences?
Well, I'm moving to New York, so in that area, budget is around 4K.
Right, that helps. What size are you thinking? One bedroom, two bedroom?
Two bedroom is fine.
Cool. And when are you hoping to move?
Next month.
All right. And what's your name so I can save this for you?
Ayush.
Nice to meet you, Ayush. All right. Give me just a moment while I pull that up for you. Okay, got a couple solid options. First one is 555 10th Avenue, luxury building near Hudson Yards, with rooftop pool and bowling alley, starting from 3,900. Then there's 30 Waterside Plaza, waterfront living with indoor pool, sauna, and river views, but that's above your budget at around 5,700. Want more details on either, or should I keep looking?
Yeah, tell me more about this Hudson Yard.
Let's see. So 555 10th Avenue is right near Hudson Yards, which is a really lively area with lots of restaurants and shops. The building itself has a rooftop pool, bowling alley, and a big fitness center, plus indoor and outdoor lounges. Want to check out viewing times?
No, that's fine.
Alright, no problem. If you want to see more options or have any other questions, just let me know. Have a great day, Ayush.
Okay, thanks.